Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we will continue on our topic that we left before. We already done the options straight on, if you remember. Okay, this one. So we continue with the arithmetic operations. So here you already seen this one. This is called an assignment statement using the equal sign. Okay. So whatever you want to calculate will be done. Sorry. Sorry. So whatever you want to calculate will be done on your right side here, and the answer will be assigned to the left side. Okay, that is the logic of every programming language. So here you have your variables. Okay, so here whatever inside this text will be assigned to this variable. Okay, and then this STR number of days ni, okay, it is a string, so the value inside that string is converted to integer and assigned to this variable. Okay, similar to the rest. So you must remember the operator used for arithmetic operation. Okay, so addition, subtraction, multiplication we use asterisk, division we use slash, exponentiation we use this one, and integer division we use backslash. Mode is to get the remainder. Okay, modulus arithmetic, remainder, not reminder, remainder. Okay, so you do your calculation here and you put the assign statement ni, apa dia punya equal sign ni, and you put it into the variable or the object here. Okay, similar to subtract, multiply, divide, exponent, integer division, and modulus. So this operator add the numeric values immediately to the left and right of the operator and replace the arithmetic expression in the assignment statement. Okay. So sama je dengan mana-mana calculator pun, you tekan DEC price, whatever the value is, plus with DEC tag, and the answer will be input back into the total. So kalau nampak dekat sini, ni dah ada contoh. Okay, this is not what you get at first. At first you have these numbers. Okay, 110 add with 8.25. When you add these two, baru you dapat this number. Okay, 118.25 cents. So the expression that uses the addition operator can contain more than two numeric values to be added, of course. Okay, like ada mathematical operation, you boleh ada banyak, tambahlah berapa banyak you nak. Okay, tambah. Ataupun ni kalau you tengok, this is a variable, add with another variable, add with another variable. And then this one, a variable added with a number. Can be also a number add with a number. Okay. The answer will be input to the left side of the assignment statement. Subtraction, similar to the addition, but like normal mathematical expression. So whatever on your left side will be subtracted with the right side. So dekat sini kalau dia punya mathematical expression dia, Allahu Akbar, what happened? minus with DEC cost. Alright? Okay, the answer will be in the DEC net profit. Okay, understand class? The operator is the dash. So the value used in the operation and the resulting answer can be used in subsequent arithmetic operation or for other purposes within the program. Nampak tak dekat sini? Okay, the first line 67 to line 67, you add this with this and you get the answer DEC computer cost. And then you use this answer DEC computer cost here and you subtract it with the DEC system discount and then the answer will be input here. So in mathematical form kita tahu mula-mula dia kira DEC monitor cost tambah dengan DEC system unit cost. Okay, jawapan dia masuk dalam DEC computer cost. Betul? Lepas tu apa dia buat? DEC computer cost ni dia tolakkan dengan DEC system discount. Okay, abaikan yang tulisan yang palang-palang tu. And then dia simpan dalam apa? DEC net computer cost. Boleh faham? Okay. And then multiplication, we use the asterisk operator, asterisk sign. So whatever you want to multiply, use the asterisk sign and then the answer will be input into the left side of the assignment statement. So the VB provide 3 arithmetic operators for division. This is for division, slash, that is for normal division, backslash and mode. So the backslash is used for integer division. With integer division, the quotient returned from the division operation is an integer. So kalau dekat sini, kalau you tengok dekat sini, dia guna backslash, betul? Ni backslash ni. So 12 divide by 5, 12 divide by 5, you akan dapat 2 pada 10 ada remainder 2, betul? Okay, so your result will be the quotient. Which one is your quotient? This. Okay, so jangan ambil integer pada quotient sahaja. So kalau dekat sini 25 bahagi 4. 25 bahagikan dengan 4. Jawapan dia 6. 6 kali 4, 24. Ada remainder 1. So jawapan dia akan ambil nombor 6 sahaja. Kalau you guna backslash. Backslash, backslash. Okay. Tapi yang sini dia guna slash. So slash dia akan ambil nilai keseluruhan. Siap ada titik perpuluhan lah. That's why dekat sini contoh ni 12 divide by 5. Okay, this is integer division. Dia dapat 2. Yang contoh yang nombor 2 ni dia dapat 6. Contoh yang nombor 3 ni dia dapat 4. Kalau you tengok 30 bahagi 7. 4 kali 7, 28 bagi 2. So the quotient is 4. Dia only ambil the quotient. Okay. The mode operator still divide the number. Okay, but it returns, apa yang dia akan bagi dekat you all is the remainder. An integer value that is the remainder of the division operation. Okay, int total number of minute divide by 60. Ni backslash. Backslash 60 ni maksudnya dia ambil quotient only. This one dia ambil remainder only. Ada contoh tak? Tak ada contoh pula. Okay. Let's say you ada nombor 129. Allah Akbar. Okay. Hundred and 29 divide by 8. So 12 divided by 8 is 1. Betul tak? 8 ada 49. 49 bahagi 8. Berapa kelas? 8 kali 6, 48 kan? So bagi 1, betul? So dekat sini, kalau 129 ni adalah dia punya apa yang dibagi, contohnya tadi 129 divide by 8. Okay, so maka 129 integer division ni dia akan bagi jawapan dia 16. Okay, tapi 129 modkan dengan 8 dia akan bagi jawapan 1. Faham tak? Nak lagi satu contoh? Kita tengok contoh yang ni. Contohnya lah kita ada INT total number. I'm so sorry, I don't know what happened. INT total number. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Okay, is actually 146. Okay, so bila line 86 is executed, apa yang berlaku sebenarnya adalah 146 ni dia akan buat division. Okay, bagikan dengan 60 kan. Saya abaikan lain dah lah tu. Kita tak seronok pula kan. Ya Allah, betul. Okay. So apa yang berlaku adalah dapat 2 kan. 2 kali 60, 120. Balance berapa? Ada 6 dengan 2. So balance 26. 26 tak boleh bagi dah dengan 60 tu. Okay. Apa yang berlaku bila you run line 86 ni, okay, what happen is you take the quotient. Which one is the quotient? This one. So this will give the result of 2. Okay. The same variable is calculated with the operator mod. INT total number of minutes 146, mod 60. So in INT total number of minutes tu tak berubah kan? Dia masih 146. Bila modkan dengan 60, mod 60. So dia akan ambil the remainder. Where is the remainder? Here. So this will result to INT minutes. So the INT minute ni akan sama dengan 26. Faham tak? Okay, hopefully you understand Kalau dia dibahagi macam ni, dia akan ambil nombor tu dengan titik perpuluhan. Tapi since dia guna backslash, dia akan ambil integer which is the quotient only. So exponentiation It means raising a number to a power. Okay, using this symbol, just konsep dia sama. X power X power Y. So apa-apa yang dekat bawah ni, so int length of cube side ni maksudnya this one panjang nak tulis. Okay, power. Buat apa saya tulis macam tu kan? Baik saya tulis je. Power 3. Faham tak? So jawapan akan masuk dalam int cube area. You can also put your exponent using a fraction, but please put into the bracket. Okay, it means int cube area power of 1 over 3. So multiple operation. Single statement can contain multiple arithmetic operation. Okay, this is normal. You can add, you can subtract, and the answer you put into the left side of the assignment statement. And then you must follow the hierarchy where the exponentiation is performed first, and then followed by the multiplication and division, and then followed by the integer division, followed by mod. Okay, later followed by the addition and subtraction. So you must follow the step where the calculation are performed from left to right, but according to the precedence, the hierarchy ni, dia punya precedence ni, keutamaan dia. So of course, anything that you put inside bracket is ataupun has higher precedence. Okay, kalau you tengok dekat sini, divide ada keutamaan yang tinggi, higher precedence. But you put this into bracket. So of course, you must do the addition of decrement, decimal grade 1 plus decimal grade 2. Then you divide the answer with 2. Then the answer you get, you put into the decimal average grade. To display numeric output data, we use the function .toString. Okay, so the name of your variable .toString. So you just guna je, dia automatic akan ada dalam you punya coding VB tu, function ni. Okay, you call function ni. So automatic dia akan convert kepada string. Sebab kenapa nak convert pada string? Sebab you punya ni adalah text. Format specification for the .toString function. Okay, we use the format specifier to identify the format of the numeric data to be written by the toString function. Kalau you tengok dekat sini ada G, C, F, N, P, E. Okay. So toString G mean the number is display as is. Contohnya dia ada nombor ni, dia akan display as is. Okay, but when you put toString double quote C ni, okay, it will display the number with the currency sign. Okay, and then 1000 separator dia akan guna koma. Kalau nombor you banyak kan, 8976 ni kan banyak kan, so dia akan letak koma. Okay, and then 2 digits to the right of the decimal, dia akan letak 2 nombor dekat sebelah kanan ni, yang titik perpuluhan ni. And kalau dia adalah nombor negatif, dia akan letak dalam parenthesis. Okay. ToString F. Double quote F ni. It means you display the number with 2 digits to the right of the decimal. Okay. Kalau dia negatif, you akan guna tanda minus. Tadi kalau negatif, dia akan guna parenthesis ni kan. Kalau dekat F, dia akan guna tanda minus. Nampak tak? Dekat F ni tak ada currency sign, tak ada comma. Okay. ToString N display the number with the comma thousand separator ni, yang comma ni. Okay, dia ada titik perbedahan 2 sebelah kanan dan dia akan ada guna negatif untuk dia akan guna minus sign for negative numbers. ToString P display the number multiplied by 100 and then it use the percent sign, 1000 separator and 2 digit of the decimal. Titik perbedahan tu to the right of the decimal tu 2 digits, and if it is a negative number, it will put minus sign in front. Scientific, okay, you put ToString E, it will display the number in the E notation. Okay, nombor tu panjang kan, so dia akan letak dalam bentuk E notation. Okay, kalau ada nombor tu negatif, dia akan letak minus sign. Okay, so please make sure. Ni ada contoh dia tadi, kalau you perasan. Ni dekat depan ni. Ini this one. Nampak tak? Variable ni, diisi total cost ni, dia dot ToString C. So whatever the value inside the DEC total cost ni, dia akan convert into string, betul? So dan dia akan letak tanda currency dekat depan jawapan awak dalam ni. Kalau dia adalah RM lah. RM 9,985.17 sen. Okay. The precision specifier, okay, tadi ada C, F, N, P, E, G, betul? You boleh juga tambah satu nombor dekat depan format tu tadi. Okay, contohnya you tambah 2. Maksudnya you nak dia punya berapa titik perbedahan yang ada dekat sebelah kanan tu. Okay. This one ada 2. Yang ni 3 kan? So dia ada 3 titik perpuluhan. Yang ni 1. So dia ada 1 titik perpuluhan. Yang ni 4. Dia ada 4 titik perpuluhan. This one 0. Tadi ada kan? So kalau tak ada, dia tak nak ada, maksudnya dia tak ada langsung kat sini, tak ada. Okay? Mana-mana boleh guna. And then to clear the form, the clear procedure and focus procedure. Normalnya bila kita dah letak, dah isi form, whatever the user input will state on the text. Okay, so we want to clear everything. Janganlah pergi go to the text and delete, go to the text and delete. Okay, give the user the ability to clear everything using a button. Okay, so you put a clear button. And then we want to clear the text property of the text box object. We want to clear the property of the label object that display the total cost. Okay, kita bukan nak ni semua yang jawapan tu. Okay, yang sebelum kita ada buat contoh kan. Kira harga cost untuk rental bike tu. Okay, harga tu kan dia letak dalam label kan. Okay, kita nak clearkan jawapan tu juga. And then we want to set the focus kepada text box semula, maksudnya cursor you all tu nak letak dekat mana. So set focus tu maksudnya letak cursor you all dekat mana. Okay, placing the insertion point ni adalah placing your cursor. Okay, we want to put it in the text box. So the clear procedure, just type .clear. Okay. So example, you have this object dot clear. So you akan clearkan text number of this punya text. Kalau sebelumnya ada apa-apa dalam dia, dia akan clearkan. Okay, and then this one, to clear the text property of a label, you tak boleh clearkan label guna clear procedure. Okay, you must write an assignment statement. Ni assignment statement tadi tak ada sama dengan kan? Okay, and assign it to a null length string. So assignkan dengan ni, null length ni maksudnya ni lah, bracket sahaja without nothing here. Okay, without nothing here. How to set focus? Kat mana yang kita nak set focus? Kat sini. So apa nama text box ni? Nama dia adalah text number of days. Just letak dot focus. Okay. The load event occurs when the program start. You dah biasa play kan? You jarang buat apa-apa dalam loading tu. Sebab biasanya bila load, dia akan display everything that you already arranged in your form. Okay, so it occurs when your program start and your form object is loaded into the computer memory. The event handler will complete the following task. Okay, yang you buat tadi, it will display the cost per day per byte heading. It will clear the placeholder from the label total cost text property. It will set the focus on the text number of this text box. Maksudnya, masa ni dia akan loading ni kan? This form dia akan load kan? Okay, yang ni akan clear. Fokus pun akan ada dekat sini. Dan dekat sini pun tak ada apa-apa. Nampak tak? Dia ada label kat situ. Situ tak ada apa-apa. Okay, concatenation means you combine, remember? So dekat sini, the label cost heading yang ni does not contain actual cost per byte. So you already declared one variable named CDEC price per day as a decimal number, okay, with the price of 9.95. D itu apa? Ingat lagi kita dah belajar. Ni adalah constant. And then you want to join two different values into a single string. Okay, that is what we call concatenation. Concat. Singkatnya concat lah. The values being concatenated must be string data type. So whatever you want to concat must be a string. So yang ni kita abaikan dulu, sebelah kiri ni kita duduk sebelah kanan. Okay. See that price per day tadi kita declare sebagai decimal kan? Ni, decimal kan? Tadi dia kata kalau nak concat semua mesti string. So what you have to do is you buat dot to string C. Kenapa C? Sebab kita nak letak tanda currency kita. Dengan titik perpuluhan dua kan? Automatic. Okay. Yang ni adalah continuation character. Jangan risau. Okay. This is the operator for concat ni. Ni. Ampersand. Ampersand is the operator for concatenation. Okay. So you concat it with a word per day for 25 hours. So yang per day ni you letak dalam double quote. Nampak tak? Double quote. Okay, so apa yang akan berlaku? Harga yang you set tadi 9.95 kan? 9.95 tu dengan currency sign. So dekat sini dia ada dollar kan? So dekat sini automatic nanti dia akan display dollar sign ni 9.95 per day bila you dah concat. Faham? Ni jawapan dia. Dia adalah dollar sign. Dollar sign 9.95 per day. The class scope, when a variable is referenced into different event handling procedures, it must be defined at the class level instead of the procedure event handler level. Okay, kalau you tengok dekat sini, okay, these are your comments at the beginning of the program. You put option switch on. And this is your class definition. Okay, ni nampak tak? Yang ni adalah event handler untuk button cost click. Okay, so you letak dekat sini dia punya definition of the value for apa tadi nama dia? CDAC price per day ni, okay, you letak dekat sini. Okay, dekat sini. Sebab dia kata dia mesti define at the class level, bukan dalam prosedur. Bila dalam prosedur dia private, so kita tak nak, so kita define dekat class level. Dekat sini. Dekat luar daripada semua yang event yang private tu, okay, tapi dekat dalam kelas yang kita tengah buat. Sebab kita tengah buat form byte ni kan, so kita dalam, lepas je buka form byte tu, dia punya kelas tu, public class form byte tu, terus je define the variable. So format exception occurs when the user enters data that a statement within the program cannot process properly. Nampak tak dekat sini, dia minta number of rental days ni. Tapi user tersalah masukkan nilai. Dia bukan masukkan nombor tu, dia masukkan teks. So that is an error. Supposed to happen lah. Sebab you set dia sebagai numeric kan. So dekat sini akan ada satu statement. Dia kata exception, apa dia nampak tu, okay. So dekat sini dia akan tunjuk error, input string was not in correct format. So this is the troubleshooting tips lah. So you boleh tengok, oh rupanya tersalah masuk, okay. An overflow exception occurs when the user enters a value greater than the maximum value the statement can process. Overflow, dia terlebih, membuat-buat. Okay, it is not possible to divide by 0. So if your program contains a division operation and the divisor is 0, the divide by 0 exception will occur. So let's see your example that you have done before. We have the application name Beach Bike Rentals, where it allow user to enter number of days they want to rent the bike. The computer, the program will calculate the total cost based on the price of 9.95 per day. Okay, so this is the procedure where after it calculate cost, the user can clear the values on the screen and enter a new value for the number of days the bike is rented and display the total cost back. Okay, this is the algorithm, the processing, the conditions. Okay, so you punya program must display grafik of bike. Okay, boleh cari gambar ni dekat sini. This is the UCD, use case definition. Ingat tak? Dia dah ajar. Okay, bacalah. The Windows classic destination open with a text box in which the user can enter the number of days bike is rented. The user interface include text box and area to display the total cost of the bike rental. This is a label, a find cost button, a clear button, and the exit button. Ada 3 button. And number 2, user enters the number of days the bike is rented. User click find cost. Program will display the total cost of the bike rental. User click clear cost user click clear button to clear the number of rental days text box and remove the total cost of the bike rental amount. Okay, dekat sini you jangan lupa, you must set focus dekat mana? Set focus kepada text untuk number of rental days tu And the user can repeat steps 2 through 5. The user click the exit button to end the application. So this is your event planning document. You ada 3 buttons and you ada 1 form. So you are now ready to code the program by entering the VB statement to accomplish the task, okay, specified in the event planning document. And you must implement the logic to carry out the required processing. Okay, class, are you ready? So please finish the example that I have given you before. Okay, I want to see it in our next class. Okay, see you next week. Assalamualaikum.